Hello everyone, welcome back to another session on our value investing series. So today being a Independence Day of India, I wish you everyone a happy Independence Day. As we are all aware that our group is a strong believer of Indian growth story, so this day is very much important for us. Hope you must have heard the speech of our Prime Minister. So he was very much positive about our India outlook. Today I have come up with a very short video. In this video, what I would be sharing you is where I have invested in 2022 as far as my stock portfolio is concerned. So many of my colleagues, my subscribers has been asking me, where have you been putting all the money while the market had gone down? It had gone to subdued levels of 15,500 and it has now come up again, and we are now standing above 17,500 as far as our Nifty index is concerned. So for us value investors, we all know that we are not bothered about where index goes, where Sensex goes, where Nifty goes, etc. We as value investors are only concerned about where our stock which we have put in our watch list and we have been monitoring for months, and are we getting it at a value buy. So I have invested in such few stocks which I felt that the valuations has gone very low and the stock is being punished so much, and it's time as we as a value investor enter that stock. So the first stock which I had bought into, I would say I had averaged out my position in that, is HINDALCO Industries. So HINDALCO Industries, as you know, had touched its 52-week low some weeks back, and at that price I had bought more into that. I already have good position in HINDALCO, but still once it dipped to a lower levels because of raw material price going down, etc. So HINDALCO is into aluminum and other metals. So I am not getting into the stock specific details, but I just want to share you what I have bought. The discretion behind buying this, if I explain it here, it will be a very long video, but I will keep it short. So after HINDALCO, I had bought a exchange traded fund, MOTILAL OSWAL NASDAQ 100 ETF. So this is an exchange traded fund offered by Motilal Oswal, and it holds US stocks mainly. It includes Facebook, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Google, etc. So this again, while the US stock market had dipped, NASDAQ had dipped, and because of fear of recession and economy going down, so at that time this ETF was at a very low price, so I had entered into this as well. Because my exposure is not only to India, I am diversified country wise also, including I have investments in US through this exchange traded fund, and even I have investments in China through Edelweiss Greater China Fund. So there are means and ways by which we can invest and diversify our portfolio and keep us away from the risk of non-diversification. Now I told that HINDALCO I had average because I am having good position in HINDALCO already prior to this investment. But there are three stocks which I had entered freshly into in this year. The first one is Manali Petrochemicals. The second one is GAIL India Limited. And the third one is ASTER DM Healthcare. So these three stocks, Manali is into various products like polyol, polyurethane, and other products which are having a wide variety of applications like pharma, sealing, building insulation, refrigeration, and n number of applications. Again, the management is very good, the balance sheet is very clean, but unfortunately due to a gap in their profits, like the profits had dipped a lot this quarter, and people have exited the stock, so it has gone very low. So I had bought that stock at such lower valuations. Next stock, as I told, GAIL. GAIL also had some issues like its supply, natural gas supply from outside was cut down. So because of that, there was some negative rating on the stock, and now they have to go for another sources by which they can import natural gas and supply. So because of such issues, which is temporary in nature as far as I am concerned, the stock was punished by the investors and it had gone down. So again, I had freshly entered into the stock. The third one is ASTER DM Healthcare. So healthcare sector, this is a hospital chain. It is having pharmacy, clinics, and testing centers, and even diagnostic centers, and even hospitals. So their presence is very much there in Gulf countries, GCC, and also they are gradually expanding in India. So it's a future play. So as the stock had dipped recently, I had entered into that stock. Now its valuations are also good compared to its peer. Yes, it is having higher debt compared to its peer, but still the debt to equity ratio is manageable, and I feel that it's a strong business with good revenue and good management. So I have entered into this stock as well. So mainly I have entered into this one ETF and 4 stocks, and also there are some other stocks which I am already holding, which I have slightly average into, but not that much. But in these stocks I have heavily invested. Now probably in some coming video I will share my major holdings in my stock portfolio, because again it was demanded by many of the subscribers. So I will come up with that in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay invested. Happy Independence Day. See you next time.